PyCharm. IDLE is nothing but integration, development, learning environment, and scripting way. And yesterday I have explained command line arguments, that is called IDLE, and a scripting way I have explained the programs. Okay, and today I am going to explain a few more programs like the concepts of introduction to Python programming by using data analysis and Python programming. Here I am going to cover overview of data analytics, importance of Python in data analytics, setting up the Python environment. That is the first part. Then second part, data manipulation with Pandas. Why we are using Pandas? Pandas is a library in Python programming. If you are dealing with any data set, rows, columns, and the number of rows, number of columns. So for that purpose, we are using Pandas library. So introduction to Pandas library, and what is data frame. We are creating data frame like data structures, creation, indexing, slicing, etc. Then data cleaning. We are eliminating noisy data, inconsistent data, redundant data, handling missing values and duplicates by using data cleaning. Then data transformation, we are converting one form to another form, and here we are using merging, joining, and concatenation, etc. So these are the data manipulation operations, then followed by the data visualization. So introduction to Matplotlib and Seaborn. These are the famous libraries in Python programming. And what are the basic plots by using Matplotlib and Seaborn? Line chart, bar chart, scatter plot, etc. Then we will go for advanced visualizations like heat map and pair plots, etc. We are using the pair plots, like see how many clusters if you are classifying by using that one, heat maps and pair plots. We are displaying advanced visualization part. Then customizing plots, we are if you want our own like our own graphs, like titles. If you want to have your own title, if you want to have your own label of x-axis and y-axis, and legends, we are using customizing plots. That is called a data visualization. So then fourth one is exploratory data analysis. It is called EDA. Here we are understanding the data, descriptive statistics, detecting outliers, correlation analysis, etc. in this exploratory data analysis. Then fifth one is introduction to machine learning and Scikit-learn. Machine learning is a one of the important concept in subfield of artificial intelligence. Learning from the observational data, we are using this machine learning concept. There are three types of machine learning we are using, like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These are the three concepts we are using. Okay, and then Scikit-learn is one of the Python library in order to handle the operations of machine learning. Overview of machine learning and supervised versus unsupervised learning, building a simple linear regression model, evaluating model performance. Then the time series analysis, in order to handle the real-time applications, we are using we are using introduction to time series data, date and time indexing and resampling, decomposing time series forecasting. So these are the concepts we are using. Then finally, 7 case studies I'm going to develop and showing as a case studies with the number of inputs. And we are taking artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning techniques we are applying. Then groundwater data analysis, prediction and detection, climate change data analysis, and wastewater water plant data. These are the 7 case studies. Then prerequisition of data analysis, we have jargon of data analysis is nothing but raw material, and data may be raw facts and images, and information is nothing but processed data is called information. Collection of interrelated data is called a database management system. Then combination of data plus DBMS is called database system, and a subset of data warehousing, it is called data mart. Collection of data marts or online analytical processing called data warehousing. Data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful data is called data mining. Big data deals with the big data sets like 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Then data science is nothing but extracting insightful or meaningful data by using machine learning and deep learning techniques. Okay. Then if you see the introduction to data analysis and Python, here I am going to develop now practicals. What is meant by data collection and cleaning? Data analytics begins with the collection of raw data from various sources, and cleaning and pre-processing data to ensure its quality and relevance is essential. Then what is meant by data analysis and interpretation? And it involves statistical and computational methods to explore and so we are using various cleaning and pre-processing the data to ensure its quality and relevance is essential. And data analysis and interpretation. It involves statistical and computational methods to explore and analyze data, identifying patterns, trends, and insights to inform decision making. So the first program